Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I will be going over the 6 structures of the respiratory system. To begin, I will start with our nasal cavity, which is up here. I chose just one part of the nasal cavity, but there are several parts, including the vestibule, frontal sinus, superior, middle, and inferior nasal concha, a respiratory region, the nasopharynx, eustachian tube opening, and the sphenoid sinus. This area is responsible for not only respiratory functions, but olfaction as well. Next, in the upper respiratory tract, I pinned the pharynx. This is known as the throat, and it lies behind the nasal cavity and mouth, and just above the esophagus and larynx. Next is the larynx. This is also known as our vocal cords. It helps with breathing, creating sound, and also protecting the trachea against food aspiration. The trachea lies beneath the larynx and it is known as the windpipe. At the end of the trachea, it will branch off into bronchi. Bronchi are the main passageway into our lungs. They are like a highway for our gas exchange, also part of conducting zone of the respiratory system. Lastly are the lungs. These are a spongy air-filled organ. Gas exchange, also known as respiration or breathing, is where oxygen enters in through the air with air, and then the carbon dioxide leaves with metabolism and through our blood.